Big Pigeon.
Hi!
Oh, hello. So nice to see you. Funny story. I was just thinking, can I...
Eat your dinner.
No! Sorry if my voice changes. Just that I have this little frog in my throat. Now, where was I? Oh yeah. Aw, come on. You know who would let me?
Chick.
No, I promise I'll play
Dress up.
Pigeon's Honor.
No!
Ooh. How about this? I'll give you a truck full of
Chocolate floats.
Come on, please. Do you have any idea how many pigeons have already done this?
13.
Now, I may be rounding up a little. No! What is going on around here? Why won't you let me
Eat your dinner.
I have needs. Pigeony needs.
No!
It's not like I'm asking you to sit in a room filled with
Some fish.
P.U. Hello?
No!
I just want to
Eat your dinner. No!
Arg! Arg! Oh. Rats! I knew it would never work with someone in charge like
Human.
Nice work! That was a great story! Do you want to save it? Terrific! See ya!